Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both your playback device and the target display are on the same Wi-Fi. This avoids discovery failures. Once done, open Netflix and sign in so account tokens are fresh. Make sure the TV or dongle has screen mirroring, AirPlay, Chromecast, or Miracast enabled. Some TVs call it screen sharing. You do this now because discovery and authorization happen first, and skipping it wastes time during the actual cast. You now begin the active mirroring step. Start playback so the app requests output. Then tap the cast or AirPlay icon in Netflix, or open your device's system mirroring control if Netflix lacks an icon. Choose the target device when it appears. The handshake can take a few seconds because DRM and subtitles sync. If prompted, confirm any pairing codes shown on the TV. Make sure to keep the Netflix app in front so streaming stays prioritized. You finish by verifying audio and video are in sync and subtitles appear correctly. Adjust audio output on the TV if levels or channels mismatch. When done, stop casting from Netflix or disconnect mirroring in the OS to free the device. If playback stalls, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the router and the Netflix app, then reconnect both devices. This clears network or DRM hiccups. If problems persist, toggle the TV's mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.